Neil with Tint Master and WindowEffects. We're going to show you on the newer body Mustangs how to prep it for window tint, and how if you come back here, you can see like the rear deck back here. It's really tight back here and touches the bottom. So we're going to show you how to remove the deck in the back. It takes an extra 3 minutes, but it makes this car way easier to tint. So stay tuned with us. Okay, so to do the sides, we're gonna wind this window down. Just lift up this top to get this sweep out of here. And then we can just reach right down in here and pull this out, or I can get this hook tool right here and grab the end of it and flip this out. Those sides come out right here, and there's a little thing right there. We can just flip that back over and just let it hang the tint, or I can get another tool and pop that out. That's all you do. Now, to get this flip back over this spot, when you're done tinting this window, all right, that can be the tricky part, getting it back over this back. So, obviously we would push these back in, like that. This just flips right up and over. But this part right here is tricky, so what you have to do is you get this little hook tool and you get it underneath there, and you're able to lift this right over this edge right here. And that lifts that over. That's how you put it back together. Okay. Alright, so keep that hook tool in there. Alright, we just took this apart. Now we want to trick this door right there that keeps these windows up, so you can tint them and they don't drop. So that one was already tricked, so we'll make sure so it'll go the whole way up. That's how we know it's tricked all the way.
What's up, guys? I'm going to show you how to take this back deck out of a Mustang GT, or any V6 Mustang, or any Mustang in general. First step is put the seats down. This plastic pillar comes out on both sides. Just pull straight out. This you have to twist, and I don't know if you guys can see that. It's got these tabs that you just kind of twist, pull out of the hole. It pulls out just like that. Put that in a safe spot. Same thing on this side. Just kind of twist it and pull. This side, for some reason, you just kind of have to put in a weird angle. Next is this piece right here. Just pull this back a little bit. Not much, just where it unclips here and here. Same thing on this side. Just unclips a little bit. Under this deck, there's a clip here, here, and here. So just get your hands up under this plastic deck here. Just kind of push up on it. Same thing with this side. It's kind of tight. It's a weird angle to put your hands at. It's going to pop up like that. We'll just kind of pull this out of the way like that. Get that behind there. I'll just kind of wiggle some of the stuff to get it above this piece here. Take the seatbelt out. Same thing on this side. Put that back first. Pull this from behind here. The deck's already starting to come out. Once you get that, said plastic deck falls right out. Just kind of lay that outside the car safely. And now it's ready for install.